so it is the summertime, and around these parts, lots of clam bakes start popping up. So we are going to have an old-fashioned clam bake of our own right here in the kitchen set.
My first one. I'm excited. So we're joined by John and Paul, the co-owners of Marblehead Chowder House in Easton, PA. So good morning, fellas. Thank you all for getting up early and coming in.
Good morning.
Thank you, Demetria.
Great
So
to
do
be
have
here.
to first just start off by asking you, is there a special way to make clams? The right way, let me say that.
Well, you don't want to cook clams too much.
Okay.
So you want to cook them until they pop open, and a little butter. That's the best way to have them.
Okay.
So we have that right here. We have some butter, some clams, a lot of other stuff, delicious items.
Yeah, and John, you guys are, your forte is the clam bake basically itself, right?
We do a lot of things. We're a New England-based seafood restaurant. We have clam bakes, carry-out clam bakes. Right now, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we're going to do this Boston steam bake, we call it.
Okay.
It's a variety of a clam bake.
Right, and there's so many varieties, so many different ways to do the clams, but you guys do more of traditional steam bake kind of clam.
Correct.
Okay, so
Yes.
maybe explain a little bit what that entails.
Yeah, okay, we have andouille sausage, clams, mussels. We're going to start out with some shallots and garlic.
Okay.
We cook all this stuff up, throw a little lobster in there, red potatoes, corn on the cob, of course, some seasoning, and butter.
Yeah, lots of
Love
butter.
that.
Butter's good.
You got to add the butter.
Butter and
all the
seafood
time.
go together well.
So as we're going to start putting this together, Paul, if you could tell us a little bit more about the restaurant.
I would just, sir.
So the restaurant's located on 4101 William Penn Highway in the Lehigh Valley. It's one of the Lehigh Valley's most premier seafood restaurants. You can visit our website at marbleheadchowderhouse.com. We sell tons of seafood bis.
My
We're
favorite,
well known.
by the way.
Oh, great.
Oh, love it.
And we also have New England clam chowder.
Yeah.
Please say it the right way.
New England clam
Chowder.
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 Gotta be chowder.
And one of our logos is it's chowder time.
Yeah.
So,
You could spell it with an AH instead of an ER if you want at the end.
and of course, it's dear to Nick's heart.
Yeah, it is very much.
So.
Actually, everywhere I go, if they have a chowder, I'm going to try it.
Yeah, because you're from the area, so I know you're loving this, Nick.
I am. And we mentioned Easton, where you guys are. Sometimes people will be like, "Oh, that's so far away," but actually, it's not far away at all. You know, it's pretty relatively easy to get there.
It's conveniently located right off of Route 33 and 22, right on William Penn Highway. Very easy to get to from those two major highways. Very close to Bethlehem Sands.
Yeah, right.
A lot of the shopping area.
Very convenient location. So, Chef, tell us, kind of talk us through what you're doing right
Okay.
now.
Smells amazing.
Smelling good. So I have a little salt, pepper, parsley, some garlic in here, shallots. We have andouille sausage, potatoes, and can't forget the corn.
Corn.
The corn.
It's a relatively simple mix, though.
It is a simple mix. A little seafood stock.
Okay.
Okay. And you put olive oil in
Okay.
it originally, right?
There was a little olive oil.
Okay. Yours?
Simply going to put the lid on that and let it simmer.
I wish you guys could smell this. This is amazing.
This is easy enough somebody can do at home.
Right. What's the
Not real
maybe
difficult.
start to finish time? What are we looking at?
About 15 minutes.
Not
No,
bad at all.
Yeah, not at all.
It's
That is
so
so
for more
fast.
information, here's the website on our screen there, marbleheadchowderhouse.com. We can get more information on when you guys are going to do the steam bake, correct? And other recipe items and other menu items you guys have. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
Right.
Yes.
Absolutely, yep.
Yep.
Well, thank you, gentlemen, for coming in. I can't wait to
welcome.
try this food because once we go to break, we're going to dig in, all right?